Hey everyone, welcome back, and today I'll be showing you how to make my mom's Iraqi salad. First thing to do is wash and chop up your parsley. From there, you're going to add in your chopped up vegetables into a large bowl. Then you're going to add in your chopped up parsley, lemon juice, and seasoning into the bowl and mix it very well. The recipe is in the description below. This is a simple recipe and the salad comes together rather quickly. It's great in the summer when the vegetables are in season and it tastes delicious with rice. That video is linked down below. Finish it off with a drizzle of some good olive oil, and now there's nothing left to do but enjoy. Thanks again so much for watching, and leave any comments or questions down below.